Yo, got a package in from the homies over at Island Armour. Let's get into this thing. What's happening, everybody? Your boy Big Brando, and today I wanted to unbox this package that I got in from the homies over at Island Armour Culture. Now, the homie Tone just launched his website, so I jumped on there, ordered a few things so I can check out for myself. Once again, I always say this, but I support all businesses. I don't ever ask for anything for free. I'm never trying to leverage my YouTube celebrity or popularity. If I rock with something, I rock with it. And I spend my money with the business. So with the homie Tone's business, it's no different. He just officially launched his website, so I jumped on there, ordered a few things for myself. And here I am unboxing it for you guys today. And who knows, I'll probably try it on for you guys too, so you guys can get the sizing correct if you wanted to order with the homie yourself. So let's get into it. All right, so here's the package right here. Sent this thing out, priority mail, flat rate envelope, sealed up, but he also has a piece of tape on here. Shout out to the homie Tone over at Island Armour Culture. Let's peel this thing open. Bam. Got some stickers in here, got some business cards. Check it out. Stickers look dope. Try not to get the glare in there for you guys. Here's the homie's business card. QR code on there, contact information on there. I'll also leave it linked for you guys. Here's some of the things that they actually offer. We got the custom tumblers on the bottom, all the jerseys up top. That's what we got right here. So let's get into it. We got two different ones. Let's see, we'll open this one up first. Bam. Here's the first jersey. Hawaii jersey, Island Armour up top, both flags right here, Island Armour logo right there in the little V of the neck. Here's the bottom of it. Island Armour hit at the bottom. Flip it over. Kaika Warrior on there. This is the back of the jersey. Island Armour up top, and then we got the 50 on the side. Let me try to open this up for you. This is the side hit, 50 for the 50th state. Close up of the graphic. Prints clean, looks good. Mesh jersey. I don't know if you could tell through the video. See all the little holes, but this is a mesh jersey. I got size 2X. Usually that's the size I wear. So we'll see how this thing fits me. Clean. Let's check out the other one. And this is the black version of that jersey. Island Armour hit, Island Armour, two flags, Hawaii across the chest. We got the tag on the bottom right here. 50 hit on the side. And let's check out the back here. Island Armour up top, Kaika Warrior, clean, Hawaii Islands on there. Close up of the graphic. Details dope. Once again, mesh jersey. Hopefully you guys can see that. Boom. Shout out to the homie Tone over at Island Armour Culture. All right, check it out. This is what it looks like. I'm wearing a 2X right here. This is what fits. Here's the back right here. This is what the print looks like on the back. Once again, I'm wearing a 2X. in that black Hawaii jersey. Warrior on the back. Let me know what you guys think. This thing feels good, perfect for the summertime for myself. I'm usually wearing jerseys and tank tops throughout the summer. This right here is California, Los Angeles approved for the weather out here. Hopefully sizing right here helps you guys out if you guys are trying to order up from them. But this is what it looks like right here. Size 2X. My build is about 220, 225 pounds. I'm like 5'10". There you have it. Let's check out the other one. Boom. And we got that white and green. That's what it looks like. Once again, size 2X. That's what it looks like on. A little close up of what it looks like. Neck feels good. It's not choking me out. Armpits are good. Not cutting in. Lightweight. Mesh jersey, like I said, so this thing breathes pretty good. Perfect for the summertime. That's what it looks like. Once again, size 2X. All right, shout out to the homie Tones for dropping the dope ass jerseys, man. I appreciate the hard work. I be seeing everything you're doing in the videos. I see you putting in the work daily, especially hitting all the festivals. As a matter of fact, I think he's out in Vegas at the Hawaii's Finest concert now, vending at that show. I respect the grind, and thank you for putting out dope ass products. Now, if you wanted to check out anything Island Armour, you could check them out on Instagram. I think it's Island_Armour_Culture. They got jerseys, tumblers, hoodies, t-shirts. I think they got it all over there. But the homie's located out here in Southern California. Chances are you'll see him at the island festivals all around here. A good solid homie grinding it out here like the rest of us. Now, he doesn't just make Hawaii jerseys, he makes jerseys for everybody. I believe he got Mexico, he has all the Polynesian islands, he got reggae jerseys, he got it all. Same thing with the tumblers too. I think he does custom tumblers, but I know he has his own tumblers that he laser etches or engraves on and all that good stuff, so check it out. Once again, shout out to Tone and Island Armour. I'm not sponsored by them. He didn't pay me to make this video. I bought these jerseys with my own money, decided to unbox it on camera for you guys so I could show you guys I really support the homies. Whenever they got something going on, if I rock with it, I rock with it. Check it out for yourself. If you got any questions, make sure you leave it in the comments for me. It's always easier to ask all your questions in the comments. Follow me on Instagram if you wanted to, Big Brando TV. Catch you guys on the next one, man. Yeah.